Wondering if the new Samsung Galaxy F14 4G is worth your money? With its huge battery, impressive display, and budget-friendly price, does it really deliver on all fronts? Stick around as we dive into every detail and find out if this phone is your next great buy. Let's start with the basics. The Samsung Galaxy F14 4G is a stylish yet functional smartphone that comes with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The phone weighs 194 grams and has a thickness of 9 mm, giving it a solid and hefty feel. The Galaxy F14 sports a glass front with a plastic back and frame. It comes in 3 colors: moonlight silver, peppermint green, and black. The phone features a simple design with a rounded plastic frame and a noticeable water drop notch on the front. Camera. Moving to the camera setup, the Galaxy F14 features a triple camera system on the back, a 50MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera takes impressive shots in well-lit conditions, with good detail and color accuracy. However, the macro lens isn't the best. It tends to produce lower quality images unless there's ample light. On the front, you'll find a 13MP selfie camera. It delivers clear and sharp selfies, although they might lack some detail compared to higher-end models. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk about battery life. One of the standout features of the Galaxy F14 is its massive 5000 mAh battery. This battery can easily last you 2 full days with regular use, making it perfect for heavy users. However, charging is a bit of a letdown. It supports 25W wired fast charging, but the included charger is not in the box. You'll need to purchase it separately. Full charge times are around 2 hours. Performance. In terms of performance, the Galaxy F14 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, expandable via a micro SD card. This setup handles daily tasks efficiently and can even manage some gaming. I tested games like Asphalt 9 and New State Mobile, and the performance was surprisingly smooth with high settings. The phone runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. It also promises up to 2 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches, which is impressive for a device in this price range. Connectivity-wise, the Galaxy F14 supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and GPS. However, it lacks NFC support, so no contactless payments here. The Samsung Galaxy F14 is a solid contender in the budget segment. It offers a good display, decent camera performance, and an excellent battery life. While the display and macro camera might not be top of the line, the overall package is quite compelling for its price. That wraps up our in-depth look at the Samsung Galaxy F14 4G. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more tech insights, check out our latest video on the screen right here. Dive deeper into the world of gadgets with us. Click the video to continue exploring.